These Molle bolt wall anchors can be very strong. The way you install them is you drill a hole in your drywall or your hollow wall or your hollow door even, and then using a tool or by taking advantage of these cleats that dig into the drywall, you're either going to turn a screw or pull the screw so that these wings, these pieces here, compress and pull back into the back of the drywall as seen here. What this does is it gives you a very strong wall anchor and can hold lots of weight in both shear and tension or pull out because it's holding in 4 places back behind the drywall. Well, that's all well and good, but what do you do if you want to move something? If you're done with whatever you're going to put up on the wall, you had a towel bar there and now you have a different one. So you're left with this metal piece here, the front of the Molle bolt, and there's no way to pull it this way because of the part here holding the back of the drywall. So what do? Your only option is to get it to go this way. You could try to use a ball peen hammer to tap it in, and then the idea is that you have it just behind flush so that you can put wall compound over that, and then that's it. Another option would be put a bolt in, not all the way, but some of the way, so you're able to tap it with a hammer, and then this part here should go in just enough, leaving you with your hole here. And there you go. Obviously you won't see the other side of the wall, and actually it doesn't matter because the whole goal was to get it just in far enough so you can put some wall compound there, put another layer, smooth it out, sand it out, and there you go. Good as new.